Hello coin engineers and welcome to our another video which aims to teach you Aptos mainnet. In this video, we will talk about Tortuga Finance, which is a DeFi project helps you to earn Aptos coin rewards without completely staking your APT. Before we move on to our video, you can check out our Aptos blockchain playlist to learn more about Aptos and decentralized applications on it while attending to the airdrop opportunities. As you can remember, we participated in Aptos Labs testnet event and made more than $1,500 for each. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to get priceless contents that we share every day. If you're ready, let's start. Tortuga Finance is a liquid staking application which is built on Aptos blockchain, and when Aptos published its mainnet, Tortuga went live on mainnet too. Now let's talk about what is liquid staking and APT rewards. Blockchain networks need validators and nodes to provide security and store the data to ensure that the network is safe and up and running. And this service does not come for free. Validators earn coins of that blockchain for their services. And in Aptos blockchain, validators earn APT as a reward for their contribution to the network. By yourself, you can earn APT rewards too by staking your APT, but there is a little disadvantage that you cannot move your APT coins anywhere and you cannot use them while staking process goes on. Liquid staking comes into play right at that moment. By liquid staking, you can stake your APT coins to the application and join the staking pool while having the proof tokens in your wallet. And you can use those tokens wherever you want. For example, you can use them as collateral and borrow tokens or coins. You can lend them to earn additional rewards. You can stake them in DeFi pools to earn fees from traders and much more things. We will make videos about every of those use cases, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell not to miss them out. Now that we learned about liquid staking, let's come to Tortuga Finance. Tortuga provides liquid staking service to you on Aptos blockchain as we talked about earlier in this video. And not for now, but in the future it will be ruled by a decentralized governance. On Tortuga, you can stake your APT coins to get TAPT, which is a proof that you have a share in the pool. And with this pool, Tortuga automatically stakes your APT to validators on the blockchain to get APT rewards with each epoch that blockchain distributes to stakers. And this helps you not to get diluted since you are holding only APT coins while more APT gets into circulation. Also, Tortuga doesn't get any fees from your rewards at this time, but it may get if governance votes to get, and if that happens, these fees will go to the protocol treasury to be spent on the protocol itself. With TAPT, you can lend, borrow, buy NFTs, swap, and many other things. There are not many things to do right now since both Aptos and Tortuga are new, but there will be much more to do if Tortuga remains its hard work and the Aptos network gets more active. And one of the most important questions, is Tortuga safe? Tortuga is safe as any DeFi protocols in the ecosystem. It's built on codes and they have an audit with no critical or important risks. But that does not mean that it cannot be hacked or fail. So trust Tortuga as much as any DeFi protocols. Do not put money into it which will affect your daily life. Use money on DeFi only that you can risk to earn more. Thinking that both Aptos and Tortuga is new, you can adjust your risk by your risk understanding. Now it's time to learn how to stake on Tortuga. After entering to tortuga.finance by clicking on the link in the descriptions and pinned comments, you must click on the Enter App button which is at the top right corner of your screen or in the middle of your screen. After clicking on it, you must click on the Connect Wallet button which is at the same place as Enter App button. To connect a wallet, you must own a wallet. You can use Petra or Martian wallet which is built for Aptos blockchain. If you do not have one yet, click on the link in the descriptions to learn how to install and use an Aptos wallet. And also, if you don't have Aptos yet, you can send APT coins from an exchange to your wallet. To do that, you need to register to a crypto exchange. Click on the links in the descriptions to register to any crypto exchange with a lifetime commission discount and more bonuses. You can register to Binance or FTX easily through those links. Now that you have APT in your wallet, let's connect and complete our staking process. After clicking on the button, choose the wallet that you have installed. I am using Petra wallet, so I will click on the button which says Petra. then enter my wallet password to the pop-up which came from my Petra wallet, and then approve the connection request coming from the same place. The API in the date that we are shooting this video is 7%. You can see the TAPT price as its equivalent APT price and TVL of Tortuga, which means the total value locked in the protocol. When you click on the Get TAPT button, which is under the APY, this pop-up asks you how much APT that you want to stake. I will stake 1 APT to show you how you can do it for now, and I will write here 1. You can see how much TAPT that you will get, the exchange rate, projected API, and how much fee that you are going to pay for this transaction. Just click on the continue button below, then approve this message from your wallet to complete the transaction. And as you can see, I received my TAPTs from Tortuga, and Tortuga thanks me for staking on. You can click on this button to see your transaction on Aptos Explorer. Now I will click on the close button and return to the main page. And as you can see on the main page, trading, liquidity, lending and collateral functions of TAPT are coming soon. Now that we have staked, let's learn how to unstake. To unstake your TAPT, you have two choices. You can unstake your TAPT with converting to APT from Tortuga or just trading it on any other decentralized exchange on Aptos blockchain. First way is done with this button. As you can see, there's an unstake your TAPT button, and when you click on it, you can see that the unstaking is disabled for the first 14 days after the protocol launch. This means they have blocked the unstaking because staking and unstaking rapidly in this protocol when it just launched can break the liquidity system, and Tortuga doesn't want to take that risk. And also this way burns 0.3% of your TAPTs, and remaining TAPT holders get more rewards when they unstake at a later time. This means while you are staking and others are unstaking, you will get those rewards too. At the time of this video being shot, this is not a fee collected by Tortuga. All the rewards goes to stakers. And when the unstaking is opened on Tortuga, you can unstake instantly with the dynamic exchange rate, or if you want a fixed exchange rate, you can unstake in nearly 1 month. After choosing them, just click on the confirm button and complete your transaction. Let's go to the main page again, and the second way is to swap your TAPT with APT or any other tokens that you want. But don't forget that the price may vary from its unstaking one in Tortuga. As a solution, Tortuga recommends Hippo Aggregator, which searches every swap route on Aptos and chooses the best route for you to get more in return of your swap. If you want to learn how to use Hippo, you can click on the link in the descriptions to watch our Hippo tutorial. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and get informed while watching. If it was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to not miss out any opportunities in the future. For more information about Tortuga, you can click on the documentation link in the descriptions to learn more. See you in the next one.